What's up guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to play the E major chord in under 90 seconds. So let's go ahead and jump into the intro and then we'll get right into the content. I'll see you then. Bye. Alright guys, my name is DiDio and you're watching the DiDio show, and in this video we're going to learn how to play the E chord in under 90 seconds. So if you haven't already, subscribe, ding the little bell, comment if you have any questions or video ideas, put them in the comment section below, and we're trying to build a little community here. Remember, this channel is all about bringing you fun, family-friendly videos on guitar tutorials, music theory lessons, product reviews, song lessons, and also vlogs. So if you enjoy watching any of those things or learning a whole lot of awesome guitar stuff and some interviews coming in the future, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But let's go ahead and talk about how to play the E chord. We got our second finger on the second fret of the A string. And then we've got our third finger on the second fret of the D string. And then our first finger on the first fret of the D string. And that is the E string, and you strum all the strings for this one. And make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be coming out with some fun chord techniques that you can use that I've been using for a while now that I really enjoy. Now, this chord is actually the basis to Don't Stop Believing by Journey. So if you like that song, here's the tutorial on how to play that. I think you'll really like that. And then there's a whole playlist on how to play chords just like this. And again, I'll link that up there as well. So go check out the cards as well as the end screens at the end of this video. Thank you again so much for watching. Like this video, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.